Hey y'all, my name's Eddie. I'm the founder of Orchata. Today I'm going to be showing you how quickly you can upload your documents and get them into your AI agents. So what we're going to do today is we're going to use the Juul litigation files. So it's the Juul case files. I'll just put in a quick description here. We're just going to hit create space. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some documents here. And we're just going to take these. And what this is going to do is this is just going to upload and batch all of your documents into our backend, and it's going to break them down. We use vectorless tree-based search, so what this is going to do is going to upload all the docs and break them apart and analyze them so that you can get them into your agents. And you'll see that it's already completed a bunch of documents. It's processing a bunch more. So we'll let a couple of these finish up here really quick. It usually should only take a minute or so. So you're watching the docs as they come. And then what you'll see is while we're doing this, we can go in here and we can see that these PDFs got broken down into Markdown. So this is the recreation and Markdown of the document that we just uploaded. And we'll wait for all of these to process. We're almost done. I'm going to do this in real time so you guys can see what it looks like to bring in a bunch of documents. We're also working on third-party integrations with Google Drive and Slack and a bunch of other third-party services that'll make it easier to sync documents back into Orchata. Right now it's just file sync, but that's coming soon. So now that all of these documents are done, what we're going to do is we're just going to take a random document. Let's pick this one. And no, let's not do that one. We want something with a little bit more data. I want one that's an email so that we can ask specific questions about correspondence. Let me see. I'm doing this in real time and I've never tested it before, so this is a good one. Okay, cool. So why don't we see, let me try, I don't want to do that one because we already did that one, and I don't want to use the agent's memory on accident. Here's a good one. So let's look for this guy right here, Peter Brzezinski to Chris Mode. I'm going to copy his name because I'm not going to remember that. I'm going to say, what did say in his email to, what was the other guy's name? Chris Mode on May 24th, 2016. And we're going to let Claude do its work really quick. And so Claude's going to look for relevant chats, obviously, from its memory. It's not going to find that. Like I said, we're doing this from scratch. First time we've ever asked this question. So what it's doing right now is it's getting the query results from Orchata, which is the RAG backend. And it says there's two emails from Peter. The first email, which is at 2:30, talks about to weigh the sample 75% towards P3. So if we go back over here, you can see the email at 2:30 a.m. talks about weighing the sample at 75%. And then the second email at 12:09 talks about splitting the sample to test reactions. And we can see that this is talking about splitting right here. And it's talking about some of the price ranges as well, 100, 150, etc. So you can see just how fast you can get documents uploaded into the backend and then also queried with Claude. And then the other thing that's fun here is we're going to take the same question. Let me just pull this in here. And we also have a CLI that we're releasing this week. And we're going to go Orchata. I'll show you what like the spaces does. So it just returns all the spaces that you have, but you can also do Orchata query. We're going to do this. And so this is going to be the actual result. Oh, well, I'm using warp, so we're going to let warp run that command. But this is going to return the actual results in the CLI that comes back via the SDK or via the MCP server. So you can use this to feed your OpenClaw or any other agent that you might be using that has a CLI skill. So more to come soon. Thanks for tuning in.